Hello and myself Badri, and I welcome you to the first tutorial of Java threads. So today we are going to see how the threads relate to the real world problems, and so we starting with the of real problem, and based on that problem, we are going to develop our programs and learn what threads are actually. So here we have the problem. We have a task. We have a number of people standing in a queue, and there is a cab that will be picking up all the people, and they will leave to their destinations. Now, the task is to pick up all the employees standing in the queue. So, this is a task that all the employees should be picked up in the cab. Now, who does the task? Is the cab. In the cab, all the employees will be picked up and they will be sent to their destination. So in this case, this cab, the doer of the task, is a thread, and this task can be defined as a thread object. Now, we are going to see a simple demo. The programs I have already developed, and I have this structure. I have my demos project, and inside the project I have created a package that will demonstrate all the variations of creating a thread. Now, this is the main method, this JVM start method. So with this method, we are doing all initializations and other things that needs that the thread needs to execute on. Now we have employee class that represents all the people who are standing in the queue. So I have a simple variable employee ID, and I have just kept constructor for this, and this is our actual doer class, that is runnable pickup task. This should implement the runnable interface. This interface is provided in the Java Lang package, and we will discuss more about this runnable package. Before that, we will just see how the threads can be used to solve the real world problems. Now we have an employee list. Of course, if you see the image, then this doer must have something to do. So this is the employee queue where all the employees are standing. We have initialized this doer method with this empty list. Now this means the cab knows where the list is, where the people are standing. Now we have a run method. This method is actually interface method in the runnable interface. So here what we are doing is, in the run method, we are iterating through each of the employees and we are picking them up. When each employee is picked, after that the cab goes away. So this thread, the doer, does its work. So if you see the simple, we will run this one, and so how this, if you see here we have a thread. We have created a thread object. As you know, any object only can do the work. So to do the work, we are creating a thread type of object, and we are passing the task in that thread object. Now we are starting this thread object with the start method, and this thread, as soon as we are running this we start method, the run method of this uh, class is called, and it does the work. After that, we will be discussing this join method, the significance of this join method, and the other things later on in this tutorial. This is a simple tutorial to discuss you the, just give a heads up on the threads. Now after all the task is performed by the doer, we are exiting the main class. So this is all about the creation like threads in Java, and Hope you find this really useful. Thank you.